Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest working scripts for my Still a Brainrot game in Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on browse all scripts and then click on Still a Brainrot. So guys, it will load up like this, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID here. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just make sure to click how to find your user ID, or let me quickly show you. So go to your browser, go to roblox.com, guys, and go to your profile. So when you go to your profile, just make sure to copy your whole profile URL like this, because in your profile URL there is your user ID. These numbers are your user ID. So when you copy your profile URL, let's get back to our tool and just make sure to click on this button. It will automatically paste only your user ID. So just click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, and guys, boom, you should get this message: user found and your name. There is our account, and now we will have to import any executor into our Roblox in order to use our scripts. So don't worry, because we can import newest Delta. Guys, if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to click here yes. If you already have a different, make sure to select this last option. So guys, I have no, and I will import now Delta executor. So I will just click import new Delta executor, and guys, it's most important step where you will select additional script to install. So I will install Forge Hub, NICUs, Overflow, and Soluna. These 4 scripts, and I will click continue. You can also Google those scripts, guys, and see reviews, what options they have, features, and So let's wait for this step, guys, and let's see what we'll get now. So nice, look at this. API is connected, our 4 scripts selected are ready, and we got our activation key. Look at this, guys. So now we will click on this. I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click, guys, it, and let's see what we'll get. We should get verified, right? Nice, guys, look at this. Thank you for pressing the bot check, guys. Our user ID connected and our key is connected. Look at this. Now it's fully revealed. Let me show you. Look at this, guys. So now we will open our Roblox, and we will see, are we actually receiving all those amazing scripts for our Still a Brainrot. Let me click here and let's play. So guys, we should receive Delta executor along 4 scripts selected, right? So now we'll see, is it actually working or no. Let's wait for this loading screen, and then okay, still nothing. Nice, guys, we got Delta, there we go. And then let's see for our, yeah, guys, look at this. Soluna, NICUs, Forge Hub, and Overflow, just as we selected. I'm so excited because we actually got it loaded up. So let's click on Overflow, for example, guys, and let's wait a little bit. So I hope it will work, right? And nice, guys, look at this. We got our Still a Brainrot scripts for free. Look at this, guys. Player ESP, best Brainrot ESP, guys. We can do literally whatever we like now. Give all tools. Look at this, guys. Let's see when we get, look at this, guys. We got all tools now. It's amazing. I cannot believe that it actually worked, guys. We can do whatever we like with this script. It's crazy, guys. Look at this. So yeah, bloxforge.com was the only working online website for those scripts, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope I helped you and you found it helpful. So if you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.